Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use the snipping tool. It is a very interesting tool which will help you to take a specific area of your image or document or whatever you want to paste in your PowerPoint presentation and Word document. Let's do it. Okay, again, first of all, you need to start at bottom left corner. First of all, you need to click on bottom left corner of your window and then type snipping, and it will appear over here just like that. Click on it, launch it. This window will appear, and after that, for example, after that I have search ICT lab environment. I want to take these images from the website, so I'm going to use what snipping tool. Just click here, then click on new, and now I want to take these images. Just click on it, done. Okay, now you need to do what? Just click on save as and then save it somewhere. For example, ICT lab environment 2022 ideas, and then done. And then you can do what? You can place it in PowerPoint presentation or Word document. Click on insert images pictures. Let me type here ICT lab environment. It will appear like that, just like that. Quickly click on insert and you will see that it will appear on your PowerPoint presentation, just like that. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.